Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to discuss more about landed cost in Odoo 19, and the main objective is if you are using periodic inventory with average or FIFO, still landed cost works. So let's check it out. In configurations, I have managed one category and the costing method is average and inventory valuation is periodic, where my inventory variation all accounts are set up, and these are my three products. And then in a generic service type product, I have introduced one freight type product which is a landed cost, and then I have one more cost which is unloading cost, which is again by type and service, and landed cost is enabled. And this time definitely my books are zero, and now we are going to book one purchase order from my vendor one, and let me buy that particular set of product. So LPG gas, let me buy 200 kg with 100 rupees each. And then second is let me check by category. So LPG category, LPG cylinder, LPG gas. So empty cylinder, I am buying 50 units at 10 rupees each. So two product I am buying right now and receiving and validating, and also going to book my vendor bill. So based on this particular transaction, now my purchase expense will be booked. So on accounts reporting, when I go and check, definitely inventory will not be booked because I am using periodic inventory. And if I want to book my inventory, I can register a manual entry, but we will not do that. And let's check out now if I am going to book my bill for the freight company and I am using that particular products which I have introduced as a freight charge. So freight charge I am paying, let's say 100 rupees, and then I am also paying unloading fee. So freight charge, let me pay 500, and unloading I am paying 200 rupees. So I am saving this, and due to both the product nature, it is my landed cost type product. So I am preparing a landed cost, and then in transfer I am connecting with particular receipt. So as soon as I am done, now you can see, like, based on my division method, Odoo has introduced a new cost based on the 200 unit original value and new value also, which is proposed here right now, and also added unloading cost on two products based on its costing. So one product will become overall value of 20,000 to 2487, and second products for empty cylinder it will become this. So this is how. Now before I pass, if I go and check my product valuation on empty cylinder, you can see 10 rupees per unit is there, and LPG gas which is 100 rupees per kg is there. Now if I book my bill for freight company and also validate this particular transaction, and I check my inventory and its costing, you can see the cost has been updated even if I am using the periodic inventory. So this is a massive upgrade we get in Odoo 19 when, if we are still using the product as average costing and wanted to apply my landed cost on the periodic method, system will do that for us. So you can see now it becomes 103 based on my new valuation, and then LPG gas is 103, and then empty cylinder from 10 it becomes 10.34. So guys, now if I go and check my stock valuation, it will definitely get updated from 21,000 to 21,000, 20,500 to 21,200. Overall 700 rupees of cost has been increased. So this is how Odoo has given us a perfect valuation, even if we are using the periodic method and wanted to pass my landed cost. Yes, you can do that happily, even if you are not using automated or perpetual valuation method here. Unlike version 18 and previous version, this was not a facility when we were using a manual inventory valuation. So guys, go and use even periodic method and apply your landed cost, and you can manage your business very easily with periodic method with landed cost in Odoo 19. If you have any query, reach out to us at techvira.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Good day.